What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shayna-Renee back at it again with another hair video. Anyway, we're gonna do a simple half up, half down look. I already started it, and look, listen, don't worry about that. It's freshly washed, freshly greased, and all of that. So half the work is already done. Let's get into it. Yeah. These are the products I'm using. Got to be Ultra Hold, the black one. And on Jackie. We're going to start with that. Pump that bad boy out. Throw it on the head. I didn't want to spray my hair with water, so I just used this instead. Anyway, brushing. Look at me. Giving face. Brushing. So I'm going to brush it up. As I'm brushing it up, I have an idea of how I want it to sit on my head. And now it's time for the clips. Did I say I was going to do hair clips with this look? If I didn't, now you know I'm doing the hair clips. Y'all, I didn't even fully plan out this video of how I was going to do it. So I guess it's turning into a fun, silly one instead of a super serious one. But it's all right. So I'm going to take the smaller width clips and I'm going to put it in the center of my head. So I'm just going to part out my hair twice. And I'm going to put the clips on top. You want to make sure this isn't bulky and you put the clips closer towards the back. After I put that second clip in, I'm just going to slick it up. And it's not going to be super slick because I didn't put on a scarf. I didn't let it sit. And it's okay because I don't need it to be that super slick. So as I put it up, my hair looks a little bit weird right here, but it's fine because the hair is going to cover it, as you will see later. So don't worry about it if it looks a little bulky somewhere at the top. Doing the back is super easy. You're just going to clip the wefts according to how it fits on your head. You're going to do it all the way up. And then when you get to the top, you're going to make sure you hide it as much. I'm going to be dancing and whipping my hair, so I will be doing the clips in a way where you won't be able to see the wefts. And I put that in my last video where I did the zebra hairstyle. So if you want to go check that out, of how I hide the wefts so you can't see that it's wefts sitting on my head without leaving my hair out. All right, so I'm almost done. I have the clip sitting in my hair so that way when I take it out, it'll fall out over it and you can't detect that I have any clips. Now, you're going to put 2 rows of clips on the outside of your hair. Try to do it as close to your pony as possible so that way it won't look bulky and crazy. So I'm going to do that. This is just how I know how to do it. I don't know about anybody else, but this is how I'm doing it. So after that, I'm going to put what is this called? A little hair tie on it so that way it'll hold everything up and together. And I'm going to pull the hair tie down as close as possible. So as you see, when I put my hair out and put it in front of it, you won't really be able to see there's anything wrong. I know some of y'all like, girl, that is not blending. I see puff and curls. Do not worry. I'm about to blend it in right now. I got my spray bottle, spraying that up. Right now, I'm going to try to use this We Dad. They sent me some products to try out. So, yeah, I tried it out a little bit, and it works pretty decent. I feel like if my curls were naturally more defined, it would work better. But it's not bad. It works. It just, I have to do a lot of manipulating to use it. So basically all I'm going to do is sit here and define my curls. I also end up using some Wetline Extreme Gel to really get my curls to pop. And yeah, that's all I did. And you're going to see the end results in 3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. She looks amazing. I know. Oh, I love it so much. It's so cute. It's so natural. It looks like my hair. My hair is blending and everything. Look at me. I look like I should be on a wig package, even though I already am. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. I will see y'all in the next one. Later.